If you want to collect payments for your bookings, setting up Calendly and Stripe together is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Calendly to Stripe, turn on payments for your event types, and make sure everything is ready to accept bookings with payment. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the menu and click on Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools and services, including payment platforms like Stripe. If you're trying to charge for consultations, coaching calls, strategy sessions, or any other appointment, this is the place to start. After opening integrations, find Stripe in the list or use the search option if you see one. When you locate Stripe, click Connect. Calendly will now start the connection process and redirect you to Stripe so the accounts can be linked securely. This step is important because it allows Calendly to process payments through your Stripe account when someone books one of your paid events. Next, sign into your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, just enter your login details and continue. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a Stripe account first before you can finish the setup. Stripe may ask you to confirm your business or payment details as part of the setup process, so make sure that information is ready if needed. Once you're signed in, Stripe will ask you to authorize Calendly to access your Stripe account. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. This authorization is what allows Calendly to send payment information through Stripe for your bookings. Without this step, the payment feature won't work properly, so make sure you complete it all the way through. After the connection is approved, go back to Calendly and open event types. Here, you'll see all the different meeting types you've created. Choose the event you want to charge for. This could be a 15-minute consultation, a paid discovery call, a coaching session, or any event where you want payment collected before the booking is confirmed. When you open that event type, look for the Payments section. Inside that area, enable Collect Payments with Stripe. This tells Calendly that bookings for this event should require payment through your Stripe integration. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to adjust the payment amount or confirm the pricing details for that event. Take a moment to review everything before saving. Make sure the correct event type is selected, Stripe is connected properly, and payments are turned on for the right booking flow. It's always a good idea to test the process once so you can see the booking experience from the customer side and confirm that everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've now set up Calendly Stripe integration and enable payments for your event types. This is a powerful way to streamline your scheduling process and make sure you get paid right when someone books time with you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.